What's up, guys? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Introduction to Python on CodeCademy. We are now on, let's see, let me just make sure. We are now on part 14. It's called Battleship. So we're going to build a one-player version of the classic board game Battleship. So let's move on. All right. We want to create a variable board and set it equal to an empty list. Cool. Submit that code. Reset. Now we use a built-in Python function to generate a board, which we'll make into a 5x5 grid. We're going to array of 5. Do this 5 times. So we'll create a 5x5 grid initialized to all O's and store it in board. So we'll say board is equal to, let's see, so use range to loop 5 times. So do for I in range 0 to 5. Inside the loop, append a list containing 5 O's to board, just like in the example above. So inside of here, we're going to do board.append. What do we want to append? We want to append list containing 5 zeros to board, and these are capital letter O's, not zeros. So we want to append, I guess, we want to append 0, and then times 5, and then we make sure we use a for loop that does the appending in the range 0 to 5, and let me try this out. So your board contains characters other than O. There we go, cool. Next up, guys, use the print command to display the contents of the board. So we'll print out the board and see what that gives us. Awesome. And let's make sure, cool. Next up, we will delete the existing print statement. We'll define a function called print board. It takes a single argument, board, and this isn't necessarily the same as this variable. I know that, I think that's kind of silly to give it the same name, or that the instructions say that, but it is what it is. But you could call it anything you want. So we're going to write a for loop that iterates through each row in board and prints it to the screen. So we'll say for row in board, and then we'll just print the row, and then, sorry guys, I'm a little sick, and call the function with board. So we'll say print board. We're going to pass it this variable of board, which is the list above. There we go. So we're getting our list. Cool. Next up, guys, is inside your function, inside your for loop, you use an empty string as the separator to join the elements of each row. So do for loop. Let me make sure I understand. The function should contain a for loop that iterates over each row of the board. For each row, it should print dot join row. Okay, so we're going to print this empty string dot join. That's basically what we're doing, is we're just going to print a string down. Cool. Awesome. Just wanted to clarify that. Next up, we're going to define 2 new functions, random row and random column. And each is going to take a board as the input parameter. This should return a random row index and a random column index from your board. Use rand int 0 length board 1. Okay, so we're going to do this is going to return rand int 0 and the length of the board -1, and we're returning rand int 0 length of board -1. So this is just generating a random number. This rand is a built-in function. So now we're going to say random row. We're going to pass a board, and then we're going to call random column and pass it board. We'll submit that. Awesome. Next up, guys, we want to create a new variable called guess row. Set it equal to int raw input guess row. So the int is sort of just type checking into the hood. I don't know. I'd have to look into it. It seems like it's just syntactic sugar, but basically this is just saying it's going to expect an integer for this. So now create a new variable, sorry, of guess row, and that's going to be equal to int raw input guess row, and then we want to create a variable called guess column instead of equal to int raw input guess column. You can sort of see where this game is going. And guess row, so I don't know, say 1, guess column 2. Awesome. Next up, we're going to print the value of, so we can get to this. Okay. Give me some space down here. Let's print the value of ship column and print the value of ship row. So it's a 2 and 1, and we can see what it actually is. Awesome. Next up, add an if statement. If guess row equals ship row and guess column equals ship column, in that case, print out congratulations, you saved my battleship. So we're just going to actually use a ternary. So we're going to say if return ship row is equal to guess row and ship column is equal to guess column. Say congratulations, you sank my battleship. Otherwise, we'll just print an empty string and we'll see if they accept the ternary operator. Accept that. No. Battleship. Alright, we'll just do it the regular way. Whatever. Not sure what it's complaining about syntactically there. So we'll do if ship row is equal to column row and ship column is equal to or sorry, if ship row is equal to guess row and ship column is equal to guess let's do that is equal to guess column, then oh right, I understand. So there we go, and we'll just return, or sorry, print, we'll just grab this, I'm not going to write that again. Awesome, there we go. Guess row 2, 3, 3 and 2, so close. Next up, add an else into the if. Print out you missed my battleship. So else print, let's grab that, and still list element of guess row. Add guess row, guess column to x. So we'll say so list element at guess row guess row is equal to x and guess column equal to x. So last line your else statement, call print board, so you can see the x, make sure you enter column and row that's on the board. Let's try this out. So it's 2 and 3. Make sure to enter a column and row that's on the board. Why did I? Let's see. Board. Oh, right. That's what we need to do. Board guess row. Obviously, it's not going to update it if we just pass it the column. So let's try this again. 2 and 3. And indices must be integers. Let's see. So the list element and guess row, guess column. Oh, sorry. So forward guess row, guess column. I think we need to do it like that. Let's try it one more time. 2 and 3. No. Let's do ij where board guess row guess column is equal to. Trying to figure out what I did wrong here. X and 2 and 3. X is not defined. Oh, let me look at this real quick, guys. 11, and we have a few more to go. Let's see what the forum has to say. So 11, and let's see if anyone has it. Is this it? Danger Will Robinson. Let's see. Let's see what they say. Board guesser, yeah. Okay, I think I understand. So let's try this again. Equal to x. And let's try this again. So we'll do 1 and 2. List indices must be integers, not string. I'm not understanding. Print you missed. Board guess row. Board guess row, guess column. Alright guys, I'm going to come back to this video, so we'll do a part 2, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and please subscribe to support the channel. It means a lot. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. See you in the next video.